How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. So if you want to fix the achievements not showing on Instagram, then let's follow the step. Achievements are basic parameter of a creator which show performance of a creator, and it shows all the Instagram appreciation and prizes. So in order to show the achievements on your Instagram, first of all, you just need to simply update your Instagram application. So in order to update, you need to open up your Play Store and go with search, and under search you need to search for Instagram. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if you have any updates, simply tap on update and update the application. So once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. Just wait for it loads to 100%, and then you need to reopen the application and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with app info, and you need to go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to open up your Instagram application and go with the profile, which is on the bottom, and go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And here, make sure that you have a professional account. So if you have a private account, then you need to go and make sure that you have a professional account. Go with account type and tools, and you need to switch to a professional account. Tap on switch to professional account, and once you switch your account to a professional account, then your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to have the achievements on your Instagram. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.